Good morning, CV30. My name is Liz Romero, and I will be your instructor for this class. I just wanted to take a couple minutes to welcome you and to show you how our class will be set up. So if you've never taken a class online before, you'll find that it's pretty intuitive and it's not that difficult at all. Canvas makes things really easy. So every instructor, every class is going to look a little bit different. This is going to be your home page right here. You can scroll down on the home page and you'll be able to see different links to get you places. So my email is right there. This video will be right there. And then here's a link to go to your syllabus, a link to my email again, and then the office hour. So I will have an office hour Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 10 to 11. And that will be on Zoom, and this will link you right into the Zoom. Down here, you'll have your weeks that you'll go into, and this is a 18-week class. And so once the week is open, then you'll be able to click it. Here's a student cafe, which is a discussion board for you to have discussions between your classmates. So let's go into week one. Once you go into week one, it's set up so that your directions are always at the top. Any PowerPoint or lectures and assignments, and then you're done for the week. So there'll always be an ending button. So if we go into week one, you can see the directions, the objectives for the week, and then the to-dos. So those will be your to-dos. There's two ways to navigate this class. You can either hit the next button, or you can go back over here and hit modules again. Okay, which will bring you to all of the weeks, or you can always go to home. One thing I would like you to do is go onto your account and put a picture on there if you haven't done that already, and set your notifications. If you haven't already, set your notifications so that you are receiving, this isn't actually, that's the dashboard, sorry. Go into your notifications here and click so that you're receiving notifications for announcements and then any grading submissions. So I will make a comment on your grading submission, and then you will be able to see that comment. So if you have any questions, give me an email, and I look forward to having you in this class. I love this class. This is my favorite class. So I'm excited to get started.